days, I can tell. What month are we in? This came end of May. So would this be it has to be the May one, right? It can't be June. Oh no, it's not June for another week. So this is the May IPSY monthly subscription. There might be an item in here that I bought for like $3 or $6 and I could look it up, I suppose. Hey guys, I just wanted to throw this in there because I'm about to finish editing this video, and as I'm editing it, all the items I'm talking about from the IPSY website, it says sold out. So I will have a link where you can get them elsewhere, I guess. So like I guess on their own website. So you have an easy clickable way to get there. And I feel everyone I'm putting up the picture, sold out, sold out, sold out. I feel so bad. So just know, even though it's sold out, I will do my best, because I haven't done it yet, but I will do my best to get the links directly to their websites. So if you want to purchase it, you could just click right there. And yes, you want to come up? Come on, you can do it. Use your stairs. Use your stairs. Come on, Wilma, use your stairs. Back to the video. We got a lotion from Ahava, which I have been putting all over and loving. It says it's a mask, hydration cream mask, but I leave it on because it actually says you can rinse it after 3 to 5 minutes or leave it on overnight. I'm not gonna rinse. It doesn't, it just feels like a regular lotion. For the face, we have a bronzer and we have an eyelid primer, we have a brow, whatever that is, brush maybe, mascara, lip liner, lipstick. I did a short on Laura Geller, and they have a Memorial Day sale. I don't think this video will be up before then, so. But if you see my short, you'll see that they're having a big sale. So I got this kit that came with all the stuff. You'll see the short on it probably before this. So this is Jasmine Beauty Beachside Bronze in medium. Beachside Bronze, bronzing powder. Well, I don't think this is gonna work for me. Medium, we'll try it. We'll try it. I'll just have to be careful. You know what? I'm gonna use this as an eyeshadow too. I'm gonna use a really lighter brush that I have because I don't want to go in heavy. So, oh no, my microphone. Is that better? Sorry. I have to look online and I'll pop up maybe what other shades they have, because I don't know why I picked this one. I mean, I don't want a light bronzer. Nothing's coming off of it. Okay. It's not as long as it's not going on like really pigmented. Oh, okay. I'm not a blush person, but I kind of incorporate my bronzer and blush together because I don't like the red and pinks on my face as much. Sometimes I'll go for it and sometimes I'll love it. But for the most part, I'm not a fan of I like neutrals. So if you throw the red on there, it kind of, to me, I think it looks good, no? Keep in mind, in my videos, I'm only wearing a light amount of makeup. I'm more for like the everyday makeup look, not so much the glam. But it's fun to do glam every now and then. So I'm not going to have perfect coverage because I don't want, even though I'm on camera, in person, sometimes on camera it looks like I have no makeup on, and in person I look like I have too much makeup on. So the amount I put on is the amount I use every day. I don't use a lot. You don't need to, especially as you get older. Huda Beauty Balm Brows. Hashtag Balm Brows. I think that's like part of the name of it. I think I'll stick to natural brows today, and I'm not going to line them. Although, I don't know what happened here. I wonder if I plucked a gray one out and it was just so big. Now I have like a hole in my eyebrow. I know this sounds insane, but please tell me if you find that this might be an issue with you too. If I put I haven't used self-tanner in a long time, but I did the other day. Sometimes if I use self-tanner or maybe it's also certain like retinols or something. If anybody knows, please. I tell you, my eyebrows bleach. Like they're literally blonde. They're not gray. I do have grays, but sometimes I get like bleach blonde. When I get my eyebrows done every now and then, she'll say, yeah, that's blonde. But I do have grays too. But what makes it blonde? I don't know. Tease Suit of Armor Eye Primer. I love my Angel Eyes, but I haven't had any other eye primers lately. I'm starting with the little because I know that the Angel Eyes, okay, this isn't as, the Angel Eyes ones, my God, one little drop is still too much for both eyes. That's how crazy that is. Which I like, but at the same time, it's almost like too much sometimes. This is more natural looking. But again, I like the primer. That's more of a coverage. This is more primer to keep your eyeshadow on. I feel like I have a good center glow. I don't like when it's like white in the center. It's so, I don't know. It's not natural. Just a little. I suppose though I'm not giving the primer, well, a fair chance because I'm not using real eyeshadow, but it's the same, right? If not, then I'll have to keep trying it and I'll let you know in upcoming videos. But I'm pretty sure I never use an eye primer, if I'm being honest. I know it's simple, but that's all I want. I'm not going to put eyeliner on because I have a mascara and I'm kind of liking that look lately of no eyeliner. This is Polite Society. Greatest lashes of all time. 100% longer lashes, 97% instant volume, 97% base to tip curl, 100% defined lashes, 1,000 more confidence. I'll take it. I almost poked my eye out, but it's okay. It didn't hurt that bad. You ever do it and you ruin your whole look? Oh, got mascara everywhere. I do it all the time. This is nice. I hate clumpy mascara too, so this is a good brush because it's going on thick, but I like when it's like a tiny brush like this. I don't think I overdo the mascara either, but you really can keep building on mascara. My daughter makes her lashes look amazing, and they're real, meaning like looks like she has falsies on, but she's like, I just use the mascara, you know, and just keep building it. She does have nice lashes though. Wow, that's really nice mascara. Natural. Lovely. Lip, the Script Primer. Our two-step system for achieving your best lip look. Lip Script by Half Caked. Lip Script by Half Caked can be worn alone or with your favorite lip combo. Step 1, primer. Amplifies the longevity of your lip products while minimizing smudging and feathering. Ensures a smooth application and extended wear. Step 2, lip liner. Accentuates and enhances your lips with a long-lasting, retractable lip liner. Pencil smoothly line, define, and fills your lips with precision and ease. No need to sharpen. I feel like everybody's been overlining their lips a lot more than usual. That's really nice. It's funny. I watch all these shows, Beverly Hills, etc., and not Beverly Hills, Housewives, etc., and they all outline their lips. And it's, to me, even like the Kardashians, you know that your lip ends here, but the line is up here. But for some reason, I feel like it's okay to know that. You're not trying to hide that. So I put it right above my lip. Those colors look great together. Okay. Oh, I also got, I can't do this though because it's more like skincare. This I'm very excited about. This is going to be its own little short maybe to see if it works, but I can't make the video until I'm done using it. But this is, how am I saying that? Brio? I don't know. But it's a basil dark spot correcting cream, and I am tired of these sunspots. So I've been starting to do that last night. Can't tell you if it works or not yet, but I will tell you if I see a difference. Then from Beauty Stat, Universal Triple Action Daily Peels. Exfoliates, brightens, firms, reduces wrinkles. There's 10 treatments in this box. I assume it's like the Dr. Dennis Gross pads that I use. So I'll let you know how I feel about those, because when I use those, that's an instant transformation of your skin, and I ran out of them, so. And then this has to go in my shower. This is Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask, which I am sure I've tried, but this is a rinse out, so this has to go in the shower. And I'll let you know how that goes. What should I use in my hair today, guys? Oh, I made a short. I'm going to use this today because I don't think I did this with you guys. This is Nexxus Curl Define Climate Control Gel Cream. Excited. So we'll do that. Wow, this is going to become a longer video. I'm not going to go through the whole process because this is already a long video, but this is Cashmere Curls, a soft hold, hydrating curl cream that adds shape, definition, and bouncy volume to enhance waves and curls. With Style Protect technology. 72H humidity shield, 48H frizz control, no buildup, and color safe. This actually looks like a cream gel. It looks like a gel with some cream in it. Smells nice. I remember All Nexus always smells good. Reminds me of an air freshener product. Yeah, this worked nice. Check out the short. I'm just going to do my hair quickly. I don't know if it went up yet, but I did a video, an updated video on using a Demnon brush for your curls, and it's not even that you get nicer curls, because you can get nicer curls if you, I was having trouble at first because it's been so long, but I think the biggest positive about using a Demnon brush is that the curls, no joke, your banana curls will last all night. Like, they're frozen like that. It's weird because when I don't use that, my curls can come out during the day, but with a Demnon brush, I don't know what it is. Those curls don't come out. And I posted a picture on my Snapchat. I posted a picture on my story. I don't know if, can I still get that? That was like later in the day. Like, that curl just was not going anywhere. Look at that. Really nice. Really nice product. Look at the curl. Look at my curls. It's not stiff. It's not hard. And look, they're staying. Love it. Really good product. Smells good too. I gotta go do some stuff. I gotta make some dishes. And I will see you in a bit. What's it about? Thank you to all our servicemen. Guys, I want to film a closing because I didn't film. We were having a good time yesterday and I didn't record any of it. The yard looks so cute. I want to show you the yard. So we're going to have to put that in our next vlog video. Because I started showing you what we were doing, but I didn't finish it. And it's the cutest little thing. So I did use some of the makeup that this is the next day, by the way. I used some of the makeup, but I also used other stuff in between. It lasted all night. You know what's weird? For the first time, I had people over and I didn't put any lipstick on. I just wanted to be like natural. And I never, if I have nothing on, no mascara, nothing on my face, but I have lipstick on, I'm okay with that. Lipstick is like the one thing I like, my one makeup go-to. Just give me lipstick. And I didn't mind because I'm like, you know what? I'm going to eat something. I'm going to drink something. I'm not going to keep reapplying. I always do that because then I end up biting my lips and I don't want to do that. So if they feel moist, but they didn't and they felt good. So I was very natural. So basically what I'm saying is my makeup looked great at the end of the night even. Really did. And every night before I go to bed, I look in the mirror and I'm like, I see, how did this last? I should do that every night. That's what I should do. Say what makeup I used that day. And then maybe like make a story of it. And say, oh, today I used this. And let's see how my face still looks at wash time. Alright guys, I'm editing this. So I'm too lazy to even get up. Is that my hand? I'm too lazy to get up and get my camera, so I'm using my phone. I'm so sorry. But let's close this video. I'm trying to make longer videos. I can't really do them. I'm so mad. I really wanted to show you guys the yard, but we'll do that on the next vlog. I'm going to link all the products in my... Did you check out ShopMy? Did you check out my shop in ShopMy? It's my new favorite website. It's almost like saying it's my website. Oh, I got to link it into my website. That's what I got to do. My regular website, which I try to stay on top of. But by the way, my makeup today, I feel like my makeup today is inspired by a movie I watched, and oh my god, what's the name of it? Tony Curtis and Natalie Wood when she was young. So it was in the mid 60s. It was I didn't stay up late to watch the rest of it, so I think as soon as I finish editing, I'm gonna watch the rest of that. But the makeup with the dark, her makeup was just, I'm like, I love that look. Why don't I just do that look? It's a classic, simple look. My hair's messy, but it's okay. And I don't know, I'm doing a couple little things different. Got a little too much bronzer here. That's my sunspot. And I'm trying something out to get rid of, as you know. And I'll keep you updated on that. So I'm gonna go, because look at me, I just keep talking. Let's just hang out. Okay, I have a problem. I have a problem talking too much. Bye, guys.